Ooh, is that a ghost in that chair? She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain where she comes. Oh, I'm here. This is Chubsy. You know Chubsy. Hi, everybody. I haven't made a video in a while. Today, I'm working on Clara Fairy. This baby is a limited edition of only 300, and she's a life-size fairy. And I'm rooting her with mohair and a 42 gauge forked needle. What's been going on? I haven't made a video in a while. And oh, wait a minute. Oh, I have Kool-Aid on my spectacles. Why do I have Kool-Aid on my spectacles? My grandson likes ice pops, and I just went to the store today and I bought the little ice pop maker holder thingies, and I made cherry flavored Kool-Aid, and he's gonna come over Thursday and swim in my little kiddie pool, and he'll get ice pops, and then we're gonna have pizza for dinner. I'm gonna make homemade pizza, and that's what's gonna be going on. Nothing's been going on around here. I am rooting Clara Fairy, like I said, limited edition of 300. Well, I hope everybody's having a great July. I have nothing to say about anything going on because too many people complain about people saying things, and I'm not saying anything. I look through my Kool-Aid colored spectacles and I make my dolls. I work from my home. I sit here, I try to get comfortable because I have a back injury and I can't do much outside. So I sit here on my chair and I try to wiggle around here and there and try to feel better and not sit too long. And so anyway, here I am rooting Clara Fairy. It's July 17th. Tomorrow, the April pre-order will be out. April is a beautiful Reborn kit, and I'm ordering her. I have one custom spot left. By the time you see this, maybe she'll be out of stock or gone. Don't know her limited edition. And I offer realistic babies. I'm just pulling the hair. I don't know if you can see Clara. Can you see the detail on this video? I don't know. Go to my page on Facebook, Rosanna'sfairytale Reborn Nursery, R-O-S-A-N-N-A-S, Rosanna's's Fairytale, T-A-L-E, Reborn Nursery. Like the page. You could friend request me. I have 2 nurseries. I actually have 2 profiles with Rosanna's's Fairytale Reborn Nursery also, and then there's my private profile. So this baby is a Clara Fairy baby. She's going to be full size, about 20 inches, and she's cute. I love fairies, hence Rosanna's's Fairytale Reborn Nursery. So as I look through my Kool-Aid spectacle-colored glasses, my Kool-Aid colored spectacles, I just want to wish everybody a happy summer. Just enjoy what you're doing. And if you have something to say, don't say it on social media because you'll get in trouble because people complain. Isn't this a crazy world? We can't even say what we think anymore. Social media is the death of people because I'm saying it. Because social media starts a lot of trouble, you know? My son is the little guy trucker. Well, the little guy. He drives a tractor trailer. Check him out. You'll see my husband on one of the videos here on YouTube. My other son is Mr. Fresh Vinyl. He does Godzilla reviews. My daughter, she sells LuLaRoe, and that's my history. So, you out there, and Matthew and Lucas, if you're watching, or Richard, or whoever, what was I just going to say? Toodles, ta-ta. I'm going to go around the mountain and wish you all a good day. We'll be going around the mountain when she comes. We'll be going around the mountain. I'm around the mountain and I'm checking out. See ya.